Welcome to DD Garden TV. In this video, we will see what should be done to get more yield from eggplant and how we can make it bloom more. Let's first look at why it does not bloom, because when these causes are eliminated, we can stimulate flowering more. Although eggplant looks imposing, it is actually a very sensitive plant against negative effects from outside. It does not tend to bloom much during the period when night temperatures are below 15 degrees. It does not bloom in the same way if there is a night temperature above 23 degrees. Between these temperatures are the most ideal degrees for flowering. At the same time, harmful and disease effects can make flowering uneven. In general, nutrient deficiencies, temperature imbalances, pollination problems, and insect infestations adversely affect flowering. In the period when there are no negatives, there are things we can do to get more flowering and therefore fruits. Before moving on to these, we recommend that you watch our videos on what should be done for more yield in eggplant and why eggplant gets bitter. Eggplant loves fertilizer, loves water, loves hoeing of its soil, and loves pruning. It is necessary to make these applications correctly and on time. Be sure to follow these steps to collect eggplants from kilo to kilo. Our fertilizer will be based on nettle, ash water as usual. But we will put Epsom salt and some amount of fish fertilizer to supplement it with humic acid, calcium, and magnesium. If we take this fertilizer mixture that we will prepare as a basis of 10 liters, 8 liters of clean water, we add 1 liter of nettle manure, 1 liter of ash broth, 2 tablespoons of eggshell and calcium fertilizer made from vinegar, 1 tablespoon of Epsom salt, 1 cup of humic acid, and 1 tablespoon of fish manure. As we mentioned in the previous videos, when giving liquid fertilizer, how much we are going to do watering, for example, let's say 3 liters per root. First we give 1 liter of clean water to the roots. When they draw this water, we give 2 liters of our fertilizer to the roots. Be sure to do this seemingly simple process so that the effectiveness of the fertilizer increases. After giving our fertilized water, when the soil has drawn the water well, do a superficial hoeing process. In this way, no cream layer is formed on the soil and loses moisture less. And finally, sprinkle ash on the soil surface so that both diseases of soil origin and some pests do not disturb our eggplants. See you in another videos. We wish everyone beautiful gardens.